Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to be doing a garden video. This time I'm in Benjamin's area. It's been a while, it's been a little bit more than a year since we were in Benjamin's area, and he's done a lot since then, and I can't wait to show you all and update you all on different projects he was working on, like his pond and different flowers that he has blooming in his garden right now. It's really nice and I can't wait to show you guys. Just like this. I remember when he was working on this pond, and it looked unfinished for the longest. You all saw in the last video he didn't get to finish it, so I'm definitely hoping that you all are looking forward to hearing the updates about what he did to this pond. So what did you do?
Well, the year before last, I dug it out, and then whenever it would rain, my pond would get messed up from all the rain that would
Yeah.
come. And so last year, I tried to fix it up again. It stopped working. The pond liner got holes in it, I guess from branches falling in it.
Yeah, perhaps maybe even some rocks.
Yeah. So earlier this spring, I decided to go ahead and dig it out deeper because water kept rinsing dirt back into it, making it higher.
Oh yeah.
So I dug it out deeper, almost 2 foot deep. And I got a better pond liner that was
Wider, bigger.
yeah, wider and bigger.
Yeah, I thought you probably needed something a little bit bigger.
Because it wasn't as deep last time, so I had to dig it out a little deeper.
Yeah. Well, whatever you did made it look a lot better. I like how deep it is, and it looks neater. The shape is very unique, and I love the bridge addition. Yeah. So I see this blue color in here. What gave you the idea to do that? The bridge?
Yeah, I did want this area to be kind of bluish.
I see, because you have this blue pole for the bird house up there. I think there's actually birds. Hold on.
There's baby birds in there.
So making these garden areas attract different creatures like butterflies and birds, because it's really a comfortable and natural kind of space for them, and they feel safe here. But I do like this blue area, the blue pole and then the bridge, and then he added some of the natural pond dye, which makes the pond just look so much greater. It has a natural look, like with the little leaves in there here and there and just little dust particles. I don't expect it to look extremely clear and clean because it's a pond, and out in nature ponds don't really look like clear flowing water. So I definitely love the way his pond looks. It looks very natural, and this walkway leading up to it, the rocks around it. I love the rocks around it. That's just really nice.
By the way, these are some lava rocks that my dad gave me 2 years ago, but I forgot all about them. They were just sitting over there for the longest until a few weeks ago I decided to clean them off and put them down right here.
I really love the spot you chose for them. That's nice. So moving along from the blue area, here's this awesome bin that he created.
I haven't got to put as much flowers in the bin because, well, now I got more flowers I'm going to plant in it, but
yeah,
this is all I got so far.
Well, I like it. It looks really neat. The rose bush here. Let's focus on that. The roses definitely give it a nice pop of color.
Here's a better one.
Oh yeah. I love how many petals this particular rose bush has.
Yeah.
Yep. I really like this garden bin. And moving on to the side is a really great addition that he added. Was it last year?
It was the year before last.
Year before last?
August.
Okay. Yeah, I love this arbor. It's so nice. Since my area is white, I chose a white theme with different things like that. When I saw them get these arbors or trellises or whatever you call it, I was like, wow, should I get one? They're so nice. They're bright. And you have this wisteria growing up on the side. Wisteria flowers, these beautiful purple flowers. And yeah, I can imagine once this takes over, it's just gonna have such a natural and beautiful look. I really love this area that he added to it, along with that right there. You added around the year before last as well?
This,
Gate? Yeah.
the other year before last.
I really like it. It's so long and it goes right over to the arbor like that. His area is so unique. I'm getting ideas as I'm looking at it now. So yeah.
Here's two other rose bushes. This one I brought last year. And it's getting big.
Really big, especially since you just bought it last year. The flowers are so gorgeous. Wow. And the other one?
This one's a lot bigger because I bought it 2 years ago, actually.
Oh wow, this one is huge. Plus they have a great scent. I can smell it from right here. Yep. Okay. Here's another flower he has. What's it called?
They're called Sweet William. And they get a whole lot of seeds every time the flowers are done blooming.
I think I have some Sweet William.
Yeah, I saw some in your area too.
Yeah. I never tried to harvest the seeds. I didn't know they had so many. But that's a pretty flower, this particular bunch. I don't have any pink ones, I don't think. But those are really pretty. This whole area is nice, but I can tell.
I need to work on it and pull the weeds out.
Yeah. It's definitely fun having a garden area to come out and work in sometimes and to beautify and put your own style into it. It's really fun having that. So yeah, gardening is definitely fun. There's something else over here he wants to show you guys.
I didn't get to neaten this all up because I'm still working on it.
Yeah, it's a work in progress.
Yeah, about a week ago, our parents gave us some banana plants. There was a big area of them growing over there. So they said we can dig a few of them up and plant them over here.
I like the spot you chose for them because they can get sun, and it's kind of out of the way from the rest of the garden since they spread and get so big and all of that. So yeah, I can't wait to see when this side is finished.
I didn't get to put these bricks down yet.
Yeah. Yep. So as you guys can see, even though his area looks really nice as it is right now, there's always more work to be done. There's always more parts that can be added and fixed up and projects to work on. So, yeah.
So that's all we want to show you for now.
Yeah.
Maybe more things later.
Yeah, so I guess that's it for this video. So yeah, I hope you all liked Benjamin's garden area. I loved it a lot, and as I was looking at it, I was getting ideas too. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below if you guys really like Benjamin's area, and what were your favorite flowers from his garden too, because we show you different roses and Sweet William, and yeah, he had irises and different things. So let me know what was your favorite flower out of his garden as well. I would like to read the comments below. So with that being said, stay tuned for more videos like this. I will be doing more garden videos in my own area, showing you guys my progress and different work that I'm doing and different projects I may be working on. So stay tuned for that, and let me know if you're looking forward to that. So with that being said, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.
Bye.